You don't know why it's going on.
Don't insult me.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
This man.
You don't know why it's going on.
He shot you.
You dey use your generation to play. You dey use your next generation to play. You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic encyclopedia petriculation of Jajatica. You don't know why it's going on.
Charlie boy, now I'm moving too much. Something way bad for this shit.
Wetin be this?
Don't insult me.
Got it.
Rich ones and cup of tea, oh.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
You don't know why it's going on.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Don't insult me.
Tear gas, huh? They tear gas, eh? He fainted. He passed out.
You don't know why it's going on.
I'm very stupid. I'm very foolish.
You dey use your generation to play. You dey use your next generation to play. You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good.